How do you use Newton Crypto app? Hook, have you ever wondered how to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies without the hassle of traditional exchanges? Today, we're diving deep into the Newton Crypto app, a user-friendly platform that simplifies buying, selling, and trading digital assets. Building context, imagine a world where you can effortlessly buy and sell cryptocurrencies from the comfort of your home. That's where Newton comes in. This app is designed to make the cryptocurrency experience accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical expertise. Main content. 1. Downloading and setting up Newton. Let's start by downloading the Newton app from your device's App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and create a new account. Provide the necessary personal information and verify your identity to ensure security. 2. Funding your Newton account. To start trading, you'll need to fund your Newton account. The app offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, debit card, and Interac e-transfer. Choose the method that suits you best and follow the on-screen instructions. 3. Exploring the Newton dashboard. After funding your account, you'll be greeted by the Newton dashboard. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio, recent transactions, and market trends. Explore the different sections of the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the app's features. 4. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into the core functionality of Newton buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell using the search bar. Select the desired amount and confirm the transaction. Newton will process your order and update your portfolio accordingly. 5. Understanding fees and security. It's important to understand the fees associated with using Newton. The app provides transparent information about trading fees, withdrawal fees, and other charges. Newton also prioritizes security to protect your funds. The app uses advanced security measures to safeguard your account information. 6. Additional features and benefits. Newton offers several additional features to enhance your trading experience. Explore features like price alerts, portfolio tracking, and educational resources to stay informed and make informed decisions. 7. Tips for using Newton effectively. To maximize your trading experience on Newton, consider the following tips. Start with a small amount to get comfortable with the platform. Stay updated on market news and trends. Set realistic goals and develop a trading strategy. Use stop-loss and take-profit orders to manage risk. 8. Customer support and resources. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Newton's customer support team is readily available to assist you. Explore the app's Help Center and FAQ section for answers to common questions. 9. Real-world examples. Let's see how Newton can be used in real-world scenarios. Imagine you want to invest a portion of your savings in Bitcoin. You can easily buy Bitcoin on Newton using your bank account. As the value of Bitcoin fluctuates, you can monitor your investment and decide when to sell. 10. Conclusion. Newton Crypto app provides a convenient and secure platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Newton is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start your cryptocurrency journey with confidence. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.